This high-efficiency 480 kilowatts charging system is specifically engineered for large-scale mining operations, featuring 2 independent charging guns with dynamic power distribution. It delivers up to 240 kilowatts per port, or combined 480 kilowatts output for ultra-fast charging of electric mining trucks. Constructed with industrial-grade components and IP65 rated protection, the station withstands extreme conditions including dust, moisture, and temperature fluctuations -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The integrated cooling system ensures optimal thermal management during continuous operation. Key advantages: reduces charging time by 40% compared to conventional solutions. Simultaneous charging capability minimizes fleet downtime. Compatible with major 600 to 800 volts mining truck battery systems. Remote monitoring via cloud. Platform for predictive maintenance. Designed for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week operation. Our solution cuts energy costs by 15% through smart load balancing and regenerative capacity upgrades to 600 kilowatts power support. The modular design allows future